Hello everyone. This is Empire Crypto TV. Please be sure to subscribe and support our channel. We are having a special presentation today about gold investments. Okay, people who, if you would be interested in investing in gold, or those who are already interested or who are already investing in gold. So what's happening right now is that we're going to do some analysis and we're going to explain some few basic things that you can do. Some of the ways that a person can invest in gold is to do it with the physical commodity itself, the gold itself. If you can be able to buy some gold coins, there are many dealers that deal with this kind of stuff where you can buy gold coins and store them into a safe place, into your house even. But there is not much money that you can make, and plus the spot price that you might see on the trading platforms might not be the same price. It might be even be higher depending on the dealer that you're dealing with. So gold is very lucrative, and people invest in them for many years now. And there are people who still possess gold, and since the beginning, or not since the beginning, I mean like since the beginning like of the financial markets, as far back as 2000 BC in Egypt, gold has been used as a form of currency. But lately now we have fiat currencies, but now the value of gold has skyrocketed over the years. How so? If we look at the chart, for instance, as a gold investor, you should also look at the charts where gold has been in terms of exchanges, or you can just simply go digitally and buy gold stocks via a broker or an exchange. But the most basic way that you can ever do it is just by buying gold coins or some gold bars, but that could be expensive. Sometimes you can come out with 1,000 ounce. Currently, 1 ounce of gold is at $1,640.78. Okay, this is a dollar price that we are talking about. So if you have 1,000 ounces of gold, man, you have a lot of money. But let us just talk about just a single ounce. It goes back as far back. I just want to go back very fast. I'm doing just a technical analysis of gold prices, where they've been. I took out a monthly chart on the trading view. So when you go on trading view, before I carry on, when you go on trading view, be sure that you pick up the right stuff here. That I just want to show you where I picked up this pricing of gold. Is XAU. Okay, it's named or written as XAU. There are some kinds of other kind of gold assets that you can trade on the market, but they come in different many names. But the most basic name that we use, even in the forex market, we use XAU versus the US dollar. So this is XAU, as you can see here, versus the US dollar. Let's go for as far back. Okay, this is a 1 month chart on trading view. Let us go as far back. Okay, it goes all the way back. What surprised me that it goes even all the way back to 1834. Okay, this is 1834. All right. Okay, I've never analyzed charts at this level since I've started trading. This is 1834. Okay, I just want to zoom it. Wow, okay, let's just zoom in, and then I just want to, wow, it's kind of weird chart to look at it though. Okay, as far back. And you know, things started off very slowly. As you can see, 1834, this record rates as far back. Trading View has done an incredible job and on taking this data into account. Okay, I don't know if any chart dates back as far as the gold chart. So the gold market has been there for a very long time. So when it started, you can see here it was let me see. It was at $20.65 an ounce. This is back in 1834. and going forward, coming down, coming, and then there was a time where it sort of like was going up maybe to $20 to 84 an ounce, and slowly, and then it kept on going up and down. So it's been volatile in that sense over the years. But when you're looking at the chart, you'll see just a streamline like this. Be sure that you zoom in, you know how to use your trading view so that you can see properly instead of just seeing just a straight line like that. So just be sure that you use your trading view to your advantage, use your zoom in and so forth. And here, as you can see, like a step, it's a very strange trend, I must say. I've never like encountered such trends, but you know what, it was a long time ago, from maybe 1931 to 1930, let's say 1936. The price stood constant at $35 an ounce. This is a time when the US dollar was pegged with the gold, and it was $35 an ounce. As you can see here, right there on top, the price of gold was $35 an ounce. It was still pegged with the dollar that time. It was, and then the rest of the world currencies were pegged against the dollar. And then, but the gold standard, this was during the time of the gold standard, okay? The gold standard, which came about through the IMF, this international organization, monetary fund, okay, International Monetary Fund, the IMF. And then the IMF once again came in here, I think in 1945, okay, when the after World War II. I think this is where the most recognized time of the gold being pegged with the dollar. This was the gold standard era, which was after 1945. After World War II, then the prices or the prices of gold an ounce remained at $35 an ounce. Okay, going forward, and then it also dropped down. Okay, the price of gold, something must have happened here. Maybe the crisis happened. But going forward, the most interesting time of history when we speak about gold versus the US dollar, it was back in 1973 when Nixon, the president of the United States, announced that this was 1973, that the dollar will no longer be pegged with the gold. So the gold was just sort of taken out. The dollar just became the world currency. So every currency in the world was pegged against the dollar. So the gold standard was abandoned in 1973. But look what happens after the gold standard was abandoned. The prices of gold sort of like skyrocketed from its normal base from $40 up to about $190. So gold became rare. So it became a rarity. So it's in its rarity, it also, the prices also surged, going up at as far as $874. This way it went highest. This was back in the 1980s in February or so. But now looking at today, we are looking at the price of gold. If I am gonna just zoom out, you can look at the price of gold right there. Now it's at 20. It went as high as 20. No, this is $2,070.28 per gold. That was high, and then this was just recently in 2020. But now 2022, the price of gold is at $1,636.79 per ounce. So in this logic, we can understand that after the gold was taken out against the US dollar, it actually gained strength because it's rare. So this is like a sort of like a technical analysis that you can sort of like look into it, and if you would invest in gold. This is the only way I think that people would make money when you invest in gold, when you participate in the market, in the buying and selling of gold, instead of just owning gold physically and just letting it just stay there. It won't make you money. But if you participate into the market, buying and selling, and you can see that the volatility of gold over the years has increased. So it's a good investment when we speak about other forms of investments. Gold is one of them. Silver, though, I've looked into it, but silver is way cheaper. I don't think that you can make much money out of it. But if you are having a good broker and you are placing good orders, yes, you can make money. But in terms of the entire system, compared with the gold, silver is not as strong as gold. There is another form of gold as well that is challenging the gold, which is the crypto, which is Bitcoin, which is way higher. Currently, Bitcoin is at 20,000 plus per coin, but fluctuating. But now gold is at 1,640 per ounce, 641 per ounce, but it just keeps on fluctuating over time. Maybe the next time we meet, maybe the price will be different, but all I'm saying is the volatility has increased over the years. Okay, that's been an analysis for our gold prices over the years. Thank you very much for watching the show. Please be sure to subscribe and support our channel, Empire Crypto TV. Until next time, thank you.